In this video, we're going to talk quickly about how we solve problems involving sex linkage using Punnett squares, and we've got an example of a couple of questions here about how we could solve some genetics problems using sex-linked inherited traits. So, very quickly, quick reminder about what sex linkage is. Sex linkage, if you remember, sex linkage is characteristics which are carried on the X chromosome. Because remember the Y chromosome, which you have in males, males are XY, females are XX, but the Y chromosome does not carry very much genetic material at all, and inherited characteristics which are sex-linked, they are carried on the X chromosome. So whatever a male has on the X chromosome, that's what they will display in the phenotype. Whereas for females, they need, generally most of these conditions are recessive, and they will need two lowercase h's to have that particular sex-linked characteristic. So, on to this question we have here. The question says, work out the percentage chances of the following marriages producing a haemophiliac child. Now haemophilia, very quickly, as a condition, that is one which means you don't have the right things in your blood to stop your blood from keeping on flowing if you get a cut or a bruise. You don't have that clotting characteristic in your blood. So if you're haemophiliac, it can be quite dangerous. If you get a cut or you fall over, you'll bruise a lot more easily than normal people who don't have haemophilia. So let's do the first one now. And we're looking for, it's always a good thing in the question to underline what the question is asking you to display as your answer. And this time it's the percentages, sometimes it might be a ratio as well. So we'll do this first cross. We'll just copy it onto our Punnett square. And now this mother here, this female, she is homozygous dominant, so she has no chance of even being a carrier for haemophilia, and the male here is capital H as well. So we quickly can fill in our Punnett square, and when we do our H's as well, and we can see from this, none of the offspring could have any chance of being a haemophiliac with this particular marriage here. So we can write down it is a 0% chance. Now the other one, the second one, part B of the question, that might be slightly different. So let's see what happens when we do a Punnett square for this one. In this one, the father is a haemophiliac and the mother is a carrier. So she is heterozygous for that particular trait. So we'll do our Punnett square, and then we'll just show what our percentage chances of having that trait are. So we just carry down H's like we would do normally, and we can see from here that there's a 50% chance, these two here, of being haemophiliac. So we can say there's a 50% chance that these offspring here, these two will be haemophiliacs. So that is very quickly how you answer a question involving sex linkage.